Hello, my name is Robel Nagatu, and this is my week 14 Promineo Tech assignment. This week, we were tasked with creating an entry into our database for our pet store, modifying an entry in our database, as well as getting a 404 response code back when we attempt to update um, uh, entry in our database that does not exist. So as you can see here, first I'm showing you my pet store controller class. This has my post method and my put method logic in here. My global error handler next, which will throw back a 404 when we attempt to modify a pet store that did not exist in the database. Our pet store data class, as well as our pet store DAO. And the last class I will show you is our pet store service. Now I will run this application and make request using Postman to this local instance of my project. While this is running, I'll show you my dbeaver. So I've already inserted some entries, as you can see here. I have 5 entries so far. So next, I will create a brand new entry, which will give us a pet store ID 6. So if I refresh this, as you can see, we have only 5 entries. So coming back over to Eclipse, as you can see, our pet store application has started. So next, I will go over to Postman. So the first step we'll be doing is creating an entry. We have a post call here. Within the body, I'll update a few things. I'll turn this into Beaver Town Pet Shop 1234 Lumber Street. I'll change this to um, Bryn Mawr, PA. I'll update the zip code as well. So what we're expecting here is the 201 response code back for created. As you can see here, that's what we got returned back. Now if I go over to the Beaver, we should see a brand new entry. And as you can see here, we have number 6, 1234 Lumber Street, and Beaver Town Pet Shop. Next, we'll modify our 5th entry here using pet store ID 5. So I have a put method, as you can see on my screen, and now I'll just update the URI parameter above with the pet store ID we want to update. I'll change this to Beaver Snake Town Store 12345 Adidas Street, and I'll update the city to. I'll keep it Beavertown, Oregon. I'll update the um, store zip to 19788. And now we should get a 200 okay response back. So as you can see, we updated Pet Store 5 to Beaver Snaker Town Store 12345 Adidas Street, Beavertown, Oregon 19788 with the zip and the phone number as well. So coming over to the Beaver, you see initially it was 134 Buster Street, Philadelphia, Owltown Pet Shop. We'll refresh this. As you can see, it updated to Beaver Snaker Town Store, Beavertown, Oregon, 12345 Adidas Street. The last thing I will show you is attempting to update a pet store that does not exist in our database using an invalid ID. So I'll put 7777. And as you can see, the response is pet store with ID 7777 was not found, and we got a 404 not found response. That's my week 14 Promineo Tech assignment. Thank you for watching.